Morning guys, we're in the shock treatment workshop. We're going to start doing a few bike reports, and this morning we've got the Husky 701 in. Now I've taken this bike for a ride. This bike is going to be used for adventure riding. We have got a couple of packs of gear on here, tank bag, etc. And this gentleman that's riding this bike is a full-size guy. He's my size, proper size guy. And basically what we're finding is when we're riding this bike, it's a bit soft front and rear. So it's diving under brakes, it's squatting under acceleration, so the pitching fore and aft is a little concerning. And so in order to gain some stability, we're going to be making this thing a little firmer. We'll be putting heavier springs in the front, heavier springs in the rear. Now, we could just work with the standard fork internals that we've got here. We've got very good options for these standard forks, but this gentleman wants to go all the way, so he wants a set of Del Sodio inserts, which if you could put one luxury item on your bike just once in your life, put a set of Del Sodios. The things are amazing. But we're also going to make this convenient for touring as well. And the thing with adventure bikes is you'll be using them in both a laden and an unladen situation. So we'll be putting an X-Trig adjuster on here. That adjuster basically makes it very, very easy to adjust the preload. The standard shock is housed deep into the frame. You can't put a normal C-spanner on there, so spring adjustments are very difficult. Putting the X-Trig adjuster makes a world of difference to the convenience of these motorcycles. But basically we'll be revalving the shock. There is no bladder kit available for these, but while we've got this shock out, we're actually going to take some measurements and I'll have one made up. So we'll have bladders available for these in about 6 weeks, but for now, revalve, Del Sodios, heavier springs front and rear. This bike will be a treat this afternoon. Okay, thank you.